it does have different adapters. And it's literally a click of your finger to turn this off and on, and I love that. Again, my scrub brush, it has like softer paddings. If you want to use it on your car, whatever you want to do, this scrub brush. But I'm going to continue to scrub because I freaking love this thing, and I have it right here in my link. So if you have been struggling, scrubbing your shower, your bathroom, your car, tires on your car, whatever it is, you should grab this because it's a game changer. And literally, I would spend like an hour in the shower, and I think I'd cut my time probably in half, if not more. This here is an amazing way to scrub your shower. So I am the girl that cleans all the time, but I was looking for help with my shower. I'm getting older, so to clean my shower, it's a big shower, as you can see, it started to become a great big task. And I was like, I need something that is going to alleviate some of the stress and pain that occurs when I'm trying to clean my shower. Normally, I would literally get down on my hands and knees with a brush, and it's just a lot, especially if you clean like I do. So I came across this scrub brush. It's electric. It's not electric. It's battery operated, USB. You plug it in the wall just like you're charging your cell phone. It comes with multiple adapters. I did a test run first. It is amazing, so I wanted to do a little clip to show you guys how you can honestly use this. So you put the adapters on that you choose. I love this one, and actually I have another one. Let me look for it. Okay, it's right here. You just clip it on just like this, and then you push the button. You gotta make sure it's charged, USB, maybe a couple hours, and here you go. I love this. Let me show you how it works. One of the problems I've always had is this chair, the stool that I have in my shower. It has little grooves in it, and a lot of dirt gets stuck in there, and it gets kind of moldy. And I would literally have to take a washcloth and like put it down each hole and then pull it through. But this bad boy is gonna do the job. I'm gonna spray some soap on first. And what I also like about this is it gets in the corners of your shower. I'm gonna add a little water, and I'll spray myself. And then here we go. Look at this. I can just put it. Oh my gosh. This thing, I spend so much time cleaning, and literally I'm just going across the top and pressing, and I'm pressing really hard, and as you can see, it's not shutting off. And you can literally see the dirt coming out of it. I freaking love this thing. It's gonna make my shower cleaning so much easier. I did another video where it has me cleaning the entire shower with the different adapters. So this is amazing. You can also use this on your car. And it comes with a long wand, so if you don't want to bend over, but still, I'm that girl that likes to clean a lot, and so I want to get down and dirty, but this is amazing. I'm going to actually flip this stool over and then clean this little cubby right here with this, and clean some of the corners. I'm just going to add a little more soap, right in there, right on. Oh my gosh, I'm going to bring my phone closer, because this is crazy how easy, I've been killing myself. It gets right into all those nice little grooves. Okay, I'm going to bring it closer. See if I can do this. So here it is, right? Just with my thumb. I'm going to turn this on. It's very slippery. And watch. Right? Let me show you this corner here. It's right into that corner. So all that buildup and mold, you can literally scrub away. This one's a little dry. It needs some water. But you did it, right? Look how easy. So freaking easy and fast. And like I said,